Good day everyone. How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and have a good day. And also welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another tutorial video. So this time I would love to share you about the Canva AI and what you can do with this in 2025 here. So now here I have logged in into my canva.com here, and I have also clicked the homepage of the Canva AI, and this is the look. As you can see here, this Canva AI provides you to design and let's say create the design for the social media. And if you click the social media here, or the combination of design and for the social media, and also it allows you to see the format. It's like the design that you would like to post. Is it for in the Facebook cover post, or Instagram story, Pinterest, Twitter post, YouTube banner, and YouTube thumbnail. And if you would like to move to another facilities or another feature, you can also let Canva AI to create you the presentation here. Let's say I would love to, you can type the prompt here, you can, let's say, create me the presentation about the World Whale Day. Then I will enter this, and it will give you a while to let this AI process what you request from this prompt. And it also depends on the connection that you have, so make sure that you have the strong connection, and it will help this AI to process anything, the prompt faster. And it will need a second to show you the result or the design here. And there you go. This is the design that they provide us here. It is very beautiful and lively. And let's say I would like to pick one design that I will customize. Let's say I will choose here, then I will click this pencil icon. And if you feel that this need the modification with your, let's say with your material that you would like to post, or the material that you would like to deliver to the audience, then you can use the click this use Canva editor, and it will direct you into another tab that gives you or allows you to do the editing process. And let's say we would like to move to another features, and let's say for the marketing stuff, and I will choose the format. It also allows you to make the business card, let's say, flyer, infographic to post, or informing about the sales that you have done, or is there any insight that you would like to share with your audience. This AI Canva also will help you out. And if we move to another feature here, this also Canva AI will allows you and help you to create the cards and invitation. And you can also choose the format here. Let's say it's like a card, invitation, or postcard. Please guys give it a try, because this Canva also give you so many beautiful design, and I will guarantee that this will help you to level up your skill and also help you to channelize your creativity. That's all, guys. Please don't forget to give it a try, this Canva AI, and I'll see you in another video. If you would like to know our another tutorial video, don't forget to visit and subscribe our channel. And if you would like to have the request or feedback for this video, please do not be hesitate to put it on the comments down below because we would love to see your comments there and it is very important to our better tutorial video in the future. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.